Hi guys, good afternoon. So today we're going to be making banana rama. So banana rama is actually inspired by Mang Tut's. But for this recipe, I'm not going to use lumpia wrapper. And I'm not going to use langka, but I'm going to use mango. So first, put 400 ml of oil in a pan and heat. Once your oil is hot, begin to fry your bananas. Now that your bananas are golden brown, you can remove them from the heat and transfer them to a strainer. Next step is to put 1/4 cup of butter. Melt your butter. Add in your 1 cup of mangoes. Yellow mangoes will do. This is to replace the langka. After which, put 1 tablespoon of your banana essence. Add in 1 tablespoon of McCormick cinnamon powder and 1 shot of Monan cinnamon syrup. Our Bayou Louisiana rum. This is our new product. We're gonna put 1 shot of rum into the mixture. The next step is to put your 1 cup of Del Monte pineapple juice, unsweetened. Once you're sure your cinnamon is dissolved, add in your 1 cup and 1/4 of brown sugar. Stir constantly. Next step is to get your bananas out of the mixture and poke it through the bamboo stick. I'm going to do 2 bananas per stick. And I'm going to let it rest. And there you have it. That's your banana rama. So usually they top it with sesame seeds, but since I don't have any, we'll just be serving it this way. There you have it, banana rama. And the excess syrup, I added ice and milk and made a mango sabakon yellow.